To make palak chaat, first in a bowl we will take a cup of besan, that is gram flour, and in this we will mix 1/4 cup of rice flour, chawal ka atta. Add salt as per your taste or half a teaspoon of carom seeds, ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, haldi, a pinch of asafoetida, that is hing, and add half a teaspoon or as per your taste green chili paste. Mix this up, and to the flour we will add water little at a time to make a thick batter. So to make this batter it required about a tablespoon less 1 cup of water. Now you can check the consistency of the batter. It should be something like this. Moving on, we have taken some spinach, palak leaves, big palak leaves. We have washed and pat dried them. Fully coat and dip the palak leaves in the made batter so that the batter sticks to it evenly, nicely on both sides. And then immediately drop this coated leaf in the hot oil to fry. We will fry this palak leaf over a medium heat, flip it in between and fry till it gets golden brownish in color. Then strain it out and keep it over a paper towel so that the extra oil gets absorbed. After frying, that is, after making about 7 to 8 these palak leaf pakoras, we are still left with some batter. So we will make some small palak crunchies. For that, we have finely chopped few palak leaves and we will drop this into the batter. Mix and make a thick paste like batter. Then using your spoon or with your hand, drop a teaspoonful of the batter into the hot oil to fry small crunchies or small pakoras. Fry in hot oil over medium to high heat for less oil absorption. Flip it in between and we will fry these palak spinach pakoras till they are crunchy, golden brownish in color, and then strain them out. After the palak pakoras are ready, it's time to make the chaat. For this, over a big plate, arrange the leaf pakoras first. Then over it, we will drop and spread imli ki khati meethi chutney. The recipe for this chutney is already in our channel. If you want, you can check the iCard link coming above. Apply the chutney over each leaf, quantity as per your own taste and liking. Next, we will apply green coriander chutney. Apply and spread this in the same way as the imli chutney. You can also find the recipe for green coriander chutney in our channel. Link is coming above over the iCard. After this, we will drop some finely chopped onions. Spread the onion pieces all over. We will also drop some finely chopped tomatoes. Then sprinkle some chaat masala. This is also according to your own taste. Sprinkle a little bit of salt as per your own taste. Next, we will sprinkle some roasted cumin powder, zira. This will also help to enhance the taste of chaat. After this, drop about 1 to 2 tablespoons all over. This is aloo sev bhujiya. Instead of this, you can even add besan sev bhujiya. Then again some finely chopped onions and tomatoes. After this again second layer of coriander, that is dhania chutney and imli chutney, tamarind chutney. At last we will drop the made palak crunchies. For better taste, always make your chaat fresh and eat it fresh. If you are a chaat lover, I am quite sure you will love this palak chaat recipe. So do try it out, giving your feedback and comments in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, hitting the bell icon till we meet again. Bye bye for now.